That's blooming. Look at that. Look at the beautiful sunflowers in the morning. And it's so early that the sun hasn't even come up as yet. But look at that, look at that, look at that. It finally bloomed at about 8.5 feet tall to 9 feet tall. It's the tallest sunflower tree that I've ever seen. This one has not yet started to bloom. But you can see there are other sunflowers that are coming up. Right there, right here. Oh. And the trunk is very thick. Very, very thick. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I'm taking her to the bus.
Cornelia's coming now.
Your cousin coming?
Yeah.
Say good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, so our cousin is coming. And we're walking now to the bus. We can stay here, you know, at the bus stop here.
Oh.
We don't have to go down there.
Why haven't just crossed it?
There's one little one coming out here too. Yeah, what's up? Alright, so guys, I'm in my front yard farm and I am picking some corns, and guess what, I found this unique corn, 2 corns growing on one, like the corn is having a baby. Alright, so I'm picking some corn and guess what, look at that, pineapple coming up. Yes, my pineapple trees are finally bearing pineapples. I said 3 years now, you know, guys. 3 years, literally. And the field is taken over by callaloo. So I'm gonna cut them out. And this is my little yam farm here. Yes. I think it's about like 30 hills of yam we have here. Some of them need stick, but I have to wait until Scotty come back. So this is the yam, very healthy and shiny and green, and we planted 2 yam head in one hill. Yeah. Alright, so over there where you can see the callaloo field will be weeded up, and we have some other callaloo suckers that we're gonna replant. Let me show you the rest of my pineapples. Look at that, guys. Hold on, my shadow. Look at that, guys. Baby pineapple coming out. Finally. Here's another one over here. Oh, baby pineapple. Yes, guys, we are here with the teacher. Alright, teacher, I go cook some soup today.
Yeah.
And it's not such a happy time for me because, as you can see, the goats have been eating all of the sweet potato slip we planted. The goat eat them.
Everything catch. Oh my God, when I go down this morning and see it. Pretty.
And let me tell you, it's just so heart-rendering because I don't like it. We talk to the neighbors. We talk to them. We go down there so many times.
Doesn't care.
Yeah, and I tell you, man, it's really a turn off. But I'm going to try and get some barbed wire, as I said before. Time's really rough now, but I have to secure my place. So.
Yeah, man, that's a great to see.
Yes. But show them what we get off the farm now.
So we have, if you can see, we have like pumpkin, all these come from the farm. Okra. We have the African okra. These are different variety of okra.
Yes.
And this we call these one lady's finger.
Yes.
So we have the African and lady's finger. We have also some some green peas.
Yeah, green peas.
Some green peas. We're gonna cook some green peas soup today.
Yes.
So we go and look at all the
Red
things.
peas.
Red peas.
But it's green.
Yes, green peas.
Because we're not waiting for it to dry.
Yeah, and then now we're going to cook some soup. If you can look, we have everything here that's fresh.
From my farm.
From the farm. Everything come from the farm. We have like sweet potato fresh.
Yep.
Irish potato fresh.
Yes.
Okra fresh.
Of course.
Corn fresh.
Yes.
And peas also fresh.
Yes.
Everything you can see
Yes.
is out from the farm.
Yes.
Yeah. We don't buy nothing here.
Yeah.
We produce everything that you can see.
Yes, yes.
We have 2 carrots saying where it's all from the farm.
Yes.
Yes, it's all from the farm.
Can see the red dirt, you know, it just come up.
And we're proud of it. And this is we call this is a sample. It's one root we dig, and it's a sample.
Yeah.
So we said we first go and test it.
Right.
So we're going to test it in the soup today.
The first sample of the Irish
Yeah,
potatoes.
the first sample of the Irish.
But you say we
Because
have worm problem or
yeah,
bogle?
we have a little worm problem. The land is so strong. We end up get the bite from the worm like that. But the next trip now, we know what exactly we're going to do it. We put in the seed. So we won't have that problem again.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are going fine.
Yes, man.
Because everything come from the farm. We don't buy nothing here.
No.
And we can find other things from the farm also. We have like string peas coming,
Yes.
cocoa coming, and then now dasheen,
Yeah.
and we have like pine.
Yes.
So we soon deal
Our
with it.
biggest problem right now is the animals in
Yeah,
the
the
farm.
animal are giving a fight. And so no matter we talk to the people, them is like them won't care. Because them are watching the ground like say, you know,
Yeah.
they don't care about them animal. And then we as a person like that now go cuss and tell them no bad word with and them things so. We are going to sit here the best way we can.
Yeah. Which is right.
Yeah, we hope to sit it.
Yeah.
No longer than next week because we are coming on to the farm in time now, April and May where
We have to put in some.
yeah, the
super
crop
potato.
them needing because if you don't put in crop now, you're gonna lose because the prices for things now are them time and summer.
Expensive.
Expensive,
Price go up.
definitely. Price go up when summertime. So we
Yeah.
are set plan for the cook with summer to have some rotation with some of these vegetable and food that you see we have here.
Yes.
And we are trying our best to have it. And we know we're gonna have it because we are putting out to have it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.